Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the rich history of the Olympic Games, a tradition that dates back over 2,000 years. From ancient Greece to the modern era, the Olympics have evolved into a global celebration of sports and culture. Let's dive in. Ancient origins. The origins of the Olympic Games can be traced back to 776 BC in Olympia, Greece. Initially, these games were held every 4 years in honor of Zeus. The first recorded champion was Coroebus, a cook who won a foot race. The ancient Olympics were much more than just athletic competitions. They were part of a religious festival that included sacrifices and ceremonies. Athletes competed in various events, including running, wrestling, and chariot racing, and they were celebrated as heroes in their city-states. However, the ancient games came to an end in 393 AD when Roman Emperor Theodosius I banned them, claiming they promoted paganism. Fast forward to the late 19th century, when a French educator named Baron Pierre de Coubertin sought to revive the Olympic spirit. In 1894, he organized the first Olympic Congress in Paris, bringing together representatives from various countries to discuss the revival of the Games. The first modern Olympic Games took place in Athens, Greece, in 1896, featuring 13 countries and 43 events. This marked the beginning of a new era for the Olympics, emphasizing international competition and sportsmanship. Growth and changes. Since their revival, the Olympic Games have undergone significant changes. The Winter Olympics were introduced in 1924 in Chamonix, France, expanding the Olympic movement to include winter sports. The Olympics also adapted to global events, such as the cancellations during World Wars I and II. The 1948 London Olympics were dubbed the Games of Renewal, as they marked the return of the Games after a long hiatus. Throughout the years, the Olympics have become more inclusive, with the introduction of the Paralympic Games in 1960 and the Youth Olympic Games in 2010, ensuring that athletes of all abilities can compete on the world stage. Cultural impact and controversies. The Olympics have also been a platform for cultural expression and political statements. Iconic moments, like the Black Power salute by Tommie Smith and John Carlos in the 1968 Mexico City Olympics, highlighted social issues and the fight for civil rights. However, the Games have not been without controversy. Issues such as doping scandals, commercialism, and political boycotts during the Cold War have sparked debates about the integrity of the Olympics. Today, the Olympic Games are celebrated as the world's foremost sports competition, featuring thousands of athletes from over 200 nations. The Olympic spirit of unity, excellence, and respect continues to inspire generations. If you enjoyed this journey through Olympic history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite Olympic moment in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.